Hello and welcome to DelphStack. Today I will show you how to block channels on Telegram. Telegram does not have a direct block channel option like it does for users, but you can control channels in two main ways. If you want to stop receiving alerts from a channel but still want to stay subscribed, you can mute its notifications. To do this, first, open the chat of the channel you want to mute. Next, tap on the channel's name at the top of the chat to open its details. Here, look for the notifications option or the bell icon. Tap on it, and you will see the option to mute or disable notifications. Select it, and you will no longer get alerts from that channel while remaining subscribed. If you want to remove the channel completely from your chat list and stop all interaction, you need to leave the channel. Open the channel chat, then tap on its name at the top to see the details. Look for the menu icon with three dots or a button labeled Leave. Tap on it, and then confirm that you want to leave the channel. Once you do this, the channel will no longer appear in your chats, and you will stop receiving all messages from it. By using these steps, you can manage your Telegram channels and keep your chat list organized. That's all you can do. Thanks for watching.